To see how I achieve a wash and go and how to maintain it for a few days, keep watching. Hey, it's Deb. So, in a couple of days or a few days, about a weekend, I am getting ready to sister lock my hair. But I thought that it would be great if I will show all my 4C sisters that you too can rock a wash and go style. It's not really wash and go. I don't know why we call it that, but because you ain't going nowhere for at least an hour, hour and a half. It's going to take you a minute to do it. But you can do it even with 4C hair. It's gonna be great. So I'm gonna show you what I do. I'm not gonna do my whole head. I'm just gonna do part. So my hair has already been washed, conditioned, and sometimes I'll plait it for just a little stretch. But this is my technique. Hope you all are having a great day. So I am going to be using Shea Moisture Curl Enhancing Smoothie and the Shea Moisture Curling Gel Soufflé. So first thing you want to do is really soak your hair with water. Get it nice and soaked. Responds better. It's just water. Then take a little bit of the Curl Enhancing Smoothie, put that on. Let's work that through. Okay. Now you're gonna come in with the gel. Not that much. And I like to just work it through my hair until it starts to feel a little bit tacky almost. Like I said, I'm a little messy, but it's well worth the little curls you get. So just take your finger, just twirl it, small sections at a time. And the weight of the product kind of helps your hair to lay down. Now, if I didn't put this product on my hair, I would have just a straight up afro standing way high. But this makes it lay down. This piece a little too big. Let me do that. And you see my little curls start to pop? I really like this style. But like I said, I am sister locking. I've been natural for 7 years and I'm ready for a new journey. So I turned 58 in November. So this is part of my birthday journey coming up. It's now October. So why not? Let me tell you, I went back and forth about the sister locks. I'm like, do I do it? Do I not do it? I'm like, yeah, I'm going to do it. So please join me on my sister lock journey. But I wanted to do this for my 4C sisters who don't think they can get the I'll say wash and go because that's what we call it. Don't think they can do the wash and go. You can do it. This takes about 45 minutes to an hour. I usually put something on TV. Okay, just keep going. Can you see it? Yeah. Now, I personally do not use a blow dryer to dry my hair or a diffuser. I typically let it dry on its own. And like if I do my hair at night, I usually do my hair either before I go to bed or early in the morning. If I do it before I go to bed, maybe like an hour or two before I go to bed, what I will do is just take my hair and twist it. And let me show you what I do. I just take it, and it's still wet, so don't worry about it. Just take it and twist it. Not tight. And after you're done, put a scarf on it and go to bed. So that's it. It's not rocket science. You can do it. It's all about the product. Like I said, I use the first, you want to put on the curl enhancing smoothie. And then second, you come back in with the gel soufflé. It's really easy and it's really cute, but you don't get a lot of wear out of this hairstyle. You may get, depends on the time of year and the humidity. If I can get 3 days out of this, it's good. And I don't do it a whole lot because it is a lot of work for a little return. But like if I'm going someplace and I really want my hair just out and wild and fluffy, I'll do it. I really love it, but it is a lot of work. But enjoy it, try it. I hope it's helpful to you. All right. I wanted to let you see how I maintain it's not a wash and go. I don't know why they call it this, but anyway, you saw the first video. Okay, so this is how my hair looks. I just twist it. I don't do anything special to it. I twist it, sometimes big chunks, sometimes small chunks. Today is Thursday, and I actually did this hairstyle on Sunday. So I'm going to take it down so you can see what it still looks like. And let's see how much of what can I get done out of this. This will be the last day for it. Actually, as I mentioned earlier, I am getting Sister Locks tomorrow, so I'm going to join the Sister Lock family, and I'm excited about it. I'm nervous, but excited too. I'm going to miss my wild and crazy hair for a while, because I do like it just being free. So, but it's a lot of maintenance, and I've been natural for 7 years. Let me see, as you can see. Yeah, I think it'll be okay. Now the one thing about this hairstyle, it's really cute, but you're not going to get a whole lot of wear out of it. Like today, like I said, this is Thursday. I actually did this on Sunday. This probably would be the last day for different. Now I'm going to shake. And you just kind of put it where you need it. I can't see. Yeah, I think it's cute. You know what? I could get another day out of this. It's really cute. So, products again that I use the Shea Moisture, what is this called? The Curl Enhancing Smoothie. I put that on first, and then I put the gel on. And just fluff it and put it where you want it. And my hair is super coarse, so I didn't think I could do this style, but you can do it. Try it. It works better when it's actually cut in a style. Like my hair is layered right now. I got it trimmed in preparation for my Sister Locks. Let's see what the back looks like. You see? So it's cute. Uh-oh. Just make sure you fluff it out how you want it. But try it. I think you'll like it. All right. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Second Beauty You. Thank you. This is Deb. See you soon. Bye-bye. Hi there, it's Deb again. I hope you subscribe to my YouTube channel called Second Beauty You, where we'll talk about fun, fashion, and fabulous things for us fabulous people who are 55 and over. Well, until then, have a fantastic day. Thanks for watching.